Have you been struggling with how to create your videos using your mobile phone? YouTube has just announced a brand new app for editing. It is called YouTube Create app. And this app will help people like me who doesn't have access to computers and laptops for editing my videos. In this video, I'll be showing how to edit your videos like a pro using this YouTube Create app. As you know, I hate long intros. Let's dive into this tutorial. To get started, click on the plus button in the bottom right section and then select photos and videos of your choice by simply touching to them. After selection, tap on the import button and this will make them appear into your project. Welcome to Sharp Brain Media, and if you are new here, I am called your boy Mark. Subscribe to this channel called Sharp Brain Media. Just a few months ago, I found myself in a situation that some of you might relate to. I had a passion of creating videos, but I was limited by a tight budget and minimal access to expensive video editing tools. I knew what I wanted to achieve, but I couldn't see a clear path forward. Then one day, a friend introduced me to YouTube Create app. It was really a game changer, and my life as a content creator took a remarkable turn. I could not believe that a simple mobile video editing app would open up a world of possibilities for me. With YouTube Create app in my pocket, I began to bring video ideas in life like never before. I was able to add stunning transitions, apply special effects, and craft compelling narratives, all from the palm of my hand. It was a revelation that my creativity was not bound by my resources. As months passed, my skills grew with every video I created. I discovered that the more I explored YouTube Create's features, the more my videos resonated with my audience. Today my channel has grown and I have made connections with amazing people who share my passion. What was once a hurdle in my creating journey has become a source of inspiration and empowerment. I want you to know that it happened to me, it can also happen to you too. As we dive into this YouTube Create tutorial, I am excited to share with you the tools and techniques that helped me to turn my creative dreams into reality. Together we shall explore the limitless potential of this incredible app and unlock your storytelling magic. I am going to be covering the normal basics of the app so you can get into it and start enjoying it. If you want to get the advanced features it can provide, be sure to subscribe to this channel as I cover fun tips and tricks and how to use some softwares. So with that all, let's get into the basics of this app. Now when you open your app, this is how it looks like inside it. At the bottom, you have all the settings and different things that you change for your video. In the middle, there is your timeline where you can scan your video from. On the top screen, there are a preview of your selected video or photos. If you want to trim your videos, just click on the video clip and then touch the white bar on the edge of it to be able to drag and cut your video. You can also just trim by scrolling to the timeline where you wish your project to start from by tapping on the split icon here at the bottom, and then after you delete the start where you don't need anything from there. Just select and scroll till you get delete button and do the same with the end if not needed in your video. If anytime you feel like I want to add a photo or video into your project, just click on the plus button above, which shall take you back into your clips and select any more you want to add. Now to me, I will cancel. You may notice gaps in between the timed videos where there are transition button. Tap there to add one. There are very many, you can pick any. And that was for trimming. Let's cover some of the different features to make your video more attractive. If you select any of your video, you shall be able to change the settings of that specific video. Here you have effects to apply to your video. You can even remove backgrounds by tapping on cutout. Filters are also available with the black and white or any. Feel free to adjust to what fits you. You find that there is also adjust tab. Here you can change saturation, contrast, and increase brightness. Others you like to make your videos to look more beautiful. If you follow these tips and tricks on how to use this YouTube Create app, your videos will be watched well and your videos will be watched until the end because they will be engaging and you gain more subscribers and followers. Let's say those people using TikTok. So be sure to watch this video until the end. And the other thing is you can adjust the volume of your video, increase or decrease speed and others. You shall also find other interesting things like cleanup, which removes the noise from your video or audio background. Wow! As you may be recording in a noisy area. This is an example I recorded in the noisy background. This is how it looks like inside it. Now let's see it when I have cleaned the noise. This is how it looks like inside it. Wow, it is good. It has removed all the noise of which I was in. So that's why you have to use that feature if you need a clear sound in your videos. YouTube Create Editing app also has features like rearrange, duplicate, rotate, and you can change it in any direction you wish. Those are the video settings. When I click back, I am now authorized to also use overlay. This is adding another video on top of the main video, simply done like this by tapping there. I can cut it by removing background, pinch to zoom and rotate it if I want. You can also bring it to front or back. It is also important done from the bottom. Let's go and see some of others inside the YouTube Create app. The other thing is you can also add text. You have to just click to text button to add template text or the plain text. But if you want some effects, then click on effects. There are many beautiful templates. You can choose what makes you happy. Let's add some word and then we modify it. We may make it bold, green in color, and put animation to our text to look professional. Do anything on it to make it more better. You can select to put it anywhere where you want from your screen. You can choose how long you want it to appear by dragging it to sides of the project. Leaving text, we also have stickers. You may use some of them, they are always added. A lot of them are always added, and some of them come within the app. You can also choose emojis and GIFs. Add ones you want and you shall be able to control its size, animation, and other features to add on them. The next also important feature is we have music. This you shall be able to add sound effects and music in your videos. You shall be able to use YouTube Create Music from the very app inside here because it is safe from copyright issue. You can actually add your own music within your phone storage. Yes, you may add a music which has no copyright issues. And if we click on this eye here, we can see the usage license, what tells us what we are supposed or allowed to use in our videos. Be sure to notice that when adding music into your project to avoid copyright issues. Music and sound effects within here is a best place to start with if you are on the free budget. But if you want to take a greater step of your videos, I would recommend you to get Epidemic Sounds. It is the one I have been using for so long. It has got the highest quality music and sound effects that is safe to use in your YouTube videos, TikTok, Instagram, and other platforms. If you wanna try them out, I shall leave a link in the description below. I have got my song added. I can change the volume, I can even trim it. I can also fade it in or out. I can also find beat points such that my video follow the beats. Moving on, we have the voiceover button. We can just hold down with our two fingers, and that allows us to record the audio over our clips. Another best feature, on the right here we have captions. Oh my god, captions are here where we have to just click on caption source, which is from videos right there, and then click on language. We may choose English, Spanish, Hindi, or any other language. Let me go for English and then click generate. And we're just going for a few seconds for YouTube Create app to generate the captions. And there we go. Now when I start talking, we have got the captions appearing. That's good. I want to edit them. I tap on the edit tab and correctly edit the words. Now you can also click on style and change the font size, color, or in text settings that you usually see. You can also drag them at your favorite position by using your fingers. Once your project is complete, simply click on the three dots in the top right corner and then click export button. And then you can choose the aspect ratio, which is the format of your video, whether portrait or horizontal video. Let us click export here, give it a second to solve it. And here we see the video is downloaded to this phone, ready to be shared or uploaded. Click on share. I'm not going to tap on anything, and now when I go to my gallery, I have the video here. I can upload to YouTube or on TikTok or anywhere if I want. Now let me remind you, my friend, these online editing softwares probably tend to consume a lot of data during the editing process. And if you face some problems with internet data plans, like you don't have enough money to buy data bundles, you are blessed. I've got the best VPN app that provides unlimited free internet. Be ready to check it out. That will help you probably save money on what you have been spending to data bundles. I will leave the video link in the description here down, which will help you make your editings without data worries and getting enough graphics plus the features from the online internet. And if you would like to learn how to share your VPN connection to another device, you might be with a laptop or a smart TV, to boost your online security, also don't forget to check the video on this channel. I'll be making more video tutorials on different editing softwares, so subscribe to always be updated by YouTube. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to check out this video, as I have told you, it will really change your day. Bye bye.